What's going on, everybody? Mill Dogg's beer review. Finishing up some of the Sweetwater Brewing company. This is the Grass Monkey, a hop wheat ale with a lemongrass, 5.4%. So let's give it a shot. Alright, good pour, good carb. Give it a little swirl here. Definitely taste that wheatgrass. Let's go lemongrass. Pretty smooth. It says hoppy wheat ale, but I don't really get hoppy. Let's see. Get our sip here. Yeah. Get a little bit of the lemongrass in the back end of it. Pretty smooth all throughout, though. It's a pretty good beer, actually. Yeah, Grass Monkey. Yeah, pretty good. There's only 2 of these in there, but pretty smooth throughout. I have no complaints about this beer. I'd give this beer an 8.5, I would say. Pretty good. So yeah, Mill Dogg's beer review, everybody, and catch you on the next beer review. Last one going to be the Coastal IPA with pineapple. So, all right, Mill Dogg's beer review.